Hi students, today I am going to solve the second problem of first unit. The problem is the resultant of two forces F1 equal to 400 Newton and F2 equal to 216 Newton acting at point A is 520 Newton. Determine the angle between the two forces and the angle between the resultant and force 1. Okay, read the problem very carefully, and based on this problem, just first of all draw this diagram. Okay, this is the force 1. Maybe you can write like F1 equal to 400 Newton, and this is the force 2, that is the F2 equal to 260 Newton. Okay, and already they give the resultant force, right? So the resultant force value, that is R equal to 520 Newton. Clear? So we know the value of F1 force 1, we know the force F1, we know the value of F2 260 Newton, and we know the resultant force R equal to 500. The three forces are acting at a point A. Okay, it's clear. What should we find from the problem? First of all, determine the angle between the two forces. Okay, that is the angle between the two forces, that is alpha. Then second question is the angle between the resultant and force 1, that is theta. Okay, read the problem very carefully. Second question is the angle between the resultant and force 1. Okay, this is this angle, that's the theta. Okay, we should find these two values. So what should we do? First of all, write the given data. So F1 equal to 400 Newton, you can take as a P. Second is F2 equal to 260 Newton, that is you can consider as a Q for the formula purpose. Okay, it's not an issue. Is R equal to, as a resultant force R equal to 520 Newton. What should we find from the problem? To find alpha value. Alpha means the angle between these two forces. Second one is theta value. Theta means this value. Theta means this. Okay, this angle. So how can we solve these equations? How can we find this value of these two things, alpha as well as the theta? Actually, think about that. We know only two formula. One is the R, resultant force R equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha. So root. Second one is the theta equal to tan inverse Q sin alpha divided by P plus Q cos alpha. We know only these two formula. From this formula we should find the value of these two things. Okay, so first of all write like this: R equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha. It's nothing, it's very simple. You can also or else you can write like this: F1 square or F2 square plus 2 F1 F2, doesn't matter about these things. Okay, so we know all this value, right? So resultant force R equal to 520 Newton, right? So write like this: 520 equal to root of, what's the value of P? P is nothing, say F1 is a 400 square plus Q equal to 260 square plus 2 into 400 into 260 into cos. Do you know the value of alpha? You don't know, right? So you put like this alpha. Okay, just remove this root from this equation. So how can we remove is 520 square equal to 400 square plus 260 square plus 2 into 400 into 260 into cos alpha. Then after that you calculate like this. 520 square equal to 270400 equal to 400 square equal to 227600 plus, just multiply this whole time. Okay, 208000 cos alpha. Okay, just bring this alpha value this side, or else you can keep this side, you bring this value to this side. Okay, so 208,000 cos alpha equal to 270400 minus 227600. So clear? When you subtract this from this value, you will get value like this: 208000 cos alpha equal to 42800. Okay, actually we should find the value of alpha. Okay, we can also rewrite the equation like this: alpha equal to cos inverse 42800 divided by 208000. Okay, when you solve this equation, you will get the value alpha value equal to 78.12 degree. 78.12 degree. It's a very simple, it's not a complicated one. Okay, then what should we do? Then we should find the value of theta, right? We should find the value of theta. How will we find the value of theta? We know the formula theta value, right? Theta formula: tan inverse q sin alpha divided by p plus q cos alpha. Now come to the point, we know all data, right? We know the p value, q value, we know and also we know the value of alpha. Okay, so write like this: tan inverse q, what's the value of q? 260 into sin alpha equal to 78.12. Just before we find the value of alpha, right? Just nothing, is just substitute over here. So p value equal to 400 plus q value equal to 260 into cos 78.12. Clear? So theta equal to you can solve this equation like this. First of all, 260 into sin 78.12. Just calculate like this. Otherwise, there is a lot of way to make the mistake. Okay, so 254.43 divided by 453.52. Okay, 453.52. So when you solve this equation, you will get the value theta value equal to 29.29 degree. 29.29 degree. Clear? Just we find the value of alpha as well as the theta value. It's a very simple. Okay, thank you for watching this video.